Meaning of holographic.
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 Holographic. The term holographic refers to a three-dimensional image that is created using laser technology. Holography involves capturing light and converting it into an image that can be viewed from different angles. The resulting image appears to be suspended in mid-air, giving the illusion of depth and dimensionality. The holographic effect has become popular in various industries, such as entertainment, security, and medicine, due to its ability to create highly realistic and interactive visual experiences. Holography is a rapidly evolving technology that has the potential to transform how we perceive and interact with the world around us.